The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser is proving that rugged sport utility vehicles can still deliver strong crash protection while keeping their off-road personality intact. The latest safety testing from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety is giving the new Land Cruiser a lot of attention, especially after the vehicle performed extremely well in the updated small overlap front crash test. One of the biggest talking points is how stable the cabin structure remained during the crash evaluation. In many older body-on-frame sport utility vehicles, the front structure could shift heavily during impact, creating more movement around the driver compartment. The new Land Cruiser showed much better control in this area, helping protect the occupant space during the difficult overlap collision scenario. The small overlap front test is considered one of the toughest evaluations because only a small portion of the vehicle's front corner strikes the barrier. This creates massive forces that can bypass traditional crash structures and directly challenge the cabin. In the latest test, the Land Cruiser handled the impact with impressive restraint performance and solid structural integrity. Toyota also appears to have focused heavily on passenger protection systems. The airbags, seat belts, and overall restraint systems work together effectively to limit excessive movement of the dummy during the crash sequence. Head protection and chest protection both scored strongly, showing that the engineering team paid attention to more than just off-road capability and towing strength. Another important detail is the updated rear seat safety evaluation. More modern crash testing now puts additional focus on rear passengers, especially children and teenagers sitting behind the driver or front passenger. The Land Cruiser performed well here too, which is becoming increasingly important for family buyers looking at larger sport utility vehicles. The design of the new Land Cruiser plays a role in its performance as well. Even though it keeps a boxy and rugged appearance inspired by classic generations, the structure underneath is far more advanced than older models. Modern high-strength materials and reinforced safety zones allow the vehicle to absorb and redirect crash energy more efficiently. This is especially important because the Land Cruiser is expected to attract buyers who may also consider vehicles like the Ford Bronco, Jeep Wrangler, and Lexus GX. Many shoppers in this category want authentic off-road capability without sacrificing daily comfort and modern crash protection. Toyota's latest approach shows how much expectations have changed in the sport utility vehicle market. Buyers no longer accept the idea that a tough off-road vehicle must compromise safety. Vehicles today are expected to handle rough trails while also protecting families during serious highway collisions. The timing of these ratings is also important because the new Land Cruiser has already generated major excitement among enthusiasts. Its retro-inspired styling, hybrid powertrain, and improved technology package have already helped it stand out. Strong crash test results now add another major selling point to the vehicle's growing reputation. For many viewers and buyers, this latest result may reinforce the idea that Toyota successfully balanced durability, modern engineering, and real-world safety in one package. That combination is becoming harder to find as the sport utility vehicle segment becomes more crowded and competitive every year.